Thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show. Right here, we got man versus bear. Ladies, would you rather be in the forest with a man or a bear? So keep it locked right here. It's the Mr. Show. We're going to get into it. She said bear, right? So watch this. Thanks for logging in. Check it out. Man versus bear. Wow. And the ladies are saying they'd rather be with a bear. But I'll tell you straight up, the bear is going to tear you to shreds. A man, at least you have a chance to negotiate. You might look like a family member. And most men, the majority of men, are not going to do anything to a woman if they were in the forest with them alone. But a bear, you're guaranteed to be in some problems, bro. Let's go.
You kiss on the first date.
I fornicate on the first date. If I'm feeling you in 10 minutes.
I'm not going to interrupt, but that Indian accent is interesting with her pink hair. Let's go. No more interruptions.
Kiss on the first date.
I fornicate on the first date. If I'm feeling you in 10 minutes, I will fornicate. We'll fornicate. We'll going down.
Oh, that's crazy. Look at the time. It's been like 10 minutes, you know.
One time I meet to an African man.
Oh boy. This story is something else. Now it's in Jamaican, and I'm not going to be able to decipher it for you till after, but just try your best to listen. All Jamaicans around the world, listen to this story. Wow.
One time I meet to an African man, and the man body big.
What the hell?
It was a sin. It was a sin to how big it is.
Sorry.
So anyways now, me tell myself say me big and brave because boy nice and sweet. I have to throw down. I have to manage this.
Talk now, blood clot gonna make them go away.
So I go so boom now. Go to CVS and buy up my KY jelly cause me I say no, so pussy have to slip and slide for anger that kaki you know. And the man body big. Remember telling you something, that be a big man me used to deal with. So you know one time big man body did big back in the day, but them all know, so no blood circulation now flow. So the body stand up but it's slinky. Me like them big slinky with them. Me not like the stiff big with them.
Me blood clot! No sir!
Me like the little slinky one them, where it barely a try hold up, so them have to hold the shaft of it, for the head turn up, for the head turn up, and then we just go and take the head. The boy would big. People,
watch it!
Well, we're waiting.
I say, I decide to me go hunger, cause I have to take it. Me rascal. I emergency room me end up, man.
Your blood clot, yo.
Yo. Emergency.
Your blood clot, yo.
How did this ring girl almost force this MMA fighter into retirement? After winning a world champion title, this MMA fighter got into a little contact with the ring girl during a photo shoot while celebrating his victory, which then later ended up being one of his biggest regrets, because after this moment, he was reported by the media for sexual harassment. But luckily, he was not suspended from the sport.
And the man body big.
And ever since then, he avoids any kind of physical contact with the ring girls.
Did somebody say they choose a bear in the woods over a man? Oh no, not this guy again.
He needs some milk. He needs some milk.
Can do anything you want.
You can.
But you're not free from the consequences.
Hello, hi, man, it's up like.
And I'm not here to condemn women. I am them, right?
That is so true.
I had a child when I was very young by someone who I didn't really know that well. And he said something to me that instead of taking it like as a victim, I took it as a learning tool. And I'm glad that I did. I think he kind of stood me up maybe for like a couple of things that we were supposed to do. And I was like, hey, we need to spend more time together. We're getting ready to have a baby. Yeah, no, this man told me, don't you think we should have did that before you got pregnant?
Man.
And at first I was taken aback because I was like, how dare you? You laid down and made a baby with me too. I've been knowing you for as long as you've been knowing me. So how dare you come at me? But once I let that initial sting go away, no matter if I didn't like it or it was mean-spirited or whatever, it was true. And so once he said that to me, it like set off something in my brain that was like, nobody's ever going to say that to me again. Yeah. At what point are we going to look in the mirror and say, hey, I got a lot more control over my situation and how it turns out than what I'm acknowledging? Like we can blame everybody else, but then that means that we're waiting on everybody else to fix the problem.
I'm afraid to get 40 and not find that man, you know? Because I don't want to start just crossing shit off the list. Like, he can't read? I don't care. I could read. I read for the both of us.
I'm legally blind. He needs some milk.
If men were that alpha, then they wouldn't be that bothered by this. Doesn't really help us when it comes to boys growing up. And that is one of my worries, that for teenage boys now, they are so...
The way how women think nowadays, the far left, right, I couldn't care less, the far radical thinking ones, is that if you have a son, it's going to be dangerous for your son in the future. Why? Listen to this.
Terrified of the consequences of putting a foot out of line. It was hard enough being a young teenager, working out how to do dating and all of that, without the terror that if you touch in the wrong place at the wrong time, you may find that your whole life is destroyed.
I
and there
like
is
that
far
terror.
too much. Well,
I like that.
As a
I
mother
think
of
that
a
men
teenage
should be
boy, I
frightened.
don't like
Really? I would say that attitude actually is part of the problem too. That's, to me, toxic femininity.
Is that healthy?
Yes, I think it is actually. I think it's better to not have a physical relationship than to have one that could ruin a woman's life.
But then how do they ever start?
Well, don't. If you're not 100% sure,
What are we going
don't.
for?
What are you going to have, a bunch of neutered boys who
But
never
it's
had...
so obvious.
We actually do have that. Gen Z is having far less sexual relationships
Yes,
than any
they are. It's true.
And
young people have stopped having...
toxic femininity.
I fuck him to death. Fuck him man to death.
Okay, this one is super harsh. Once again, going out to the Jamaican diaspora, this one is super harsh. It's the mother saying that the son is out way man.
He needs some milk.
Something like that. I don't know. Listen.
I'm his son, but him a back pay man in Carol. Me never see me that girl yet. Never me have a little mad son and he all have video on his phone, they do much things to blood clot with girl and me have pay them say nasty life them they can't dip on roadside they fuck. My little mad son. Me never see this a boy with a girl yet. Never. Me never see this a boy with a girl yet. Peer man come and me and come call up for him and pick him up and sit there. Pierre man, never hear in the talk power on your phone with a girl. On the roadside, the fuck. Me like a mad son. Me never see this a boy with a girl yet. Never. Me never see this a boy with a girl yet. Pierre man come and me and come call up for him and pick him up and sit them. Pierre man, never hear in the talk power on your phone with a girl yet. Never. Me carry my man come here the blood clot. Me there in my room, me fly me door open. How that? No must fuck you and fuck me. No America this me can't just put him out like that. Me can't just put him out, me get it. Me go get it. And me can't fuck in peace and say me walk and fuck me carry my man come here. And tell me man say me enough man me have. Me son tell me man say enough man me have.
He needs some milk.
My owner son tell my man say enough man me have. And me never see me that girl let appear, man. So look like me not have more man than him then.
I could not resist, so I had to look it up. From the Office of National Statistics, from a 2019 study, in ever-increasing numbers, we are now at a lesbian divorce rate of 72%. So the top 4 reasons that they are reporting getting divorced is feeling ignored, inequality in the partnership, adultery, and domestic violence. Personally, I feel like this lends some weight to men's arguments and complaints about how women are behaving in relationships. Because when you have lesbian divorce statistics that look like that, the girls are kind of telling on themselves.
Oh boy. The lesbian divorce rate falls to 72% compared to 52% for straight couples. Any thoughts on that?